Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Lucinda M. Kerrigan. Okay, my camera is trying to act up tonight. I noticed that it's not catching all the light in the room coming from the lamp, the one over there. So, in my video editor, I will brighten the clip or film this again tomorrow. So I don't know if you'll see this, but you might, because I don't like repeating what I say and what I do. I was woken up by this package. Okay. I don't know if I told you guys in my last video yesterday when I filmed it that I was waiting on another package. And now guess what? I'm waiting on another one. I ordered something today, but it won't come for about 2 weeks. It's international. So it'll get here. It's just coming from Canada, which a little far, but not like across the pond like England. So it'll get here. But this is one simple item that I ordered because I was coughing when I came back from the pharmacy a few days ago. I was sitting next to a lady, and no, we're not been social distancing for a while, but maybe she was sick. That's why she was at the pharmacy. I already got my knife out, one of my knives. I found two more of my knives that my husband had given to me. This was in the kitchen. This is not cutting. It's not cutting. This one's not that sharp. Sugar already cut through that. Oh my goodness. Okay, there it goes. Took a little bit of effort there. Like press down. I don't want to press down too hard and puncture what's inside. But the tape is what gets you with these boxes. Then when you cross the top, it goes to the mailing label. So like puncture it, and then I'm just gonna lightly press, not too hard, but enough to get it open. Okay. This is not a sharp knife. You can buy knife sharpeners. I just don't have one. I haven't used one in a long time. I should have used my other knife, but I didn't feel like messing with that one either. I've got 3 knives. I was talking about the other knife that I've been using, but the other one that's in my left pocket, that's a little bit smaller than this big sucker. I know what you're gonna say in the comments. That's a big knife. Yes, it is. I don't use it too often. I just happen to use it today. This is my package. What it looks like in the inside. It is stuffed like a cardboard type feeling paper, like recycled paper maybe, inside of it. And then they give you a packing slip. This is from Nation's Benefits, from my Medicare over-the-counter drug benefit, and this is what I got: a bag of menthol cough drops, because I was coughing and I've had a sore throat for a couple of days. You can hear it in my voice right now. I've got a sore throat. So there are 30 drops, and this was only $3.50. Keep in mind, I only had $2.02 left in my benefits, so I had to pay $1.48 plus tax for the rest of this, and I barely had it. I barely had it in my account, but I was able to do it. So I think I will try one and see how it goes. Save tear here. This is the Good Sense brand, by the way. Good Sense. I don't think I've used this particular brand. I like how it's a resealable bag, so it will keep anything out of it, especially my cats, who think it's probably treats now. See, she's looking at it. Baby kitty's on my lap. Not a treat, baby kitty. No, they're not cat treats. No, they're not cat treats. It's says it sore soothe throat, temporarily relieves cough. She's really gonna try to go for this, so I gotta be careful. No, baby kitty. See, it's a blue, like ice cold blue color drop. Ow! She's clawing me. She thinks they're treats. Let's see how the taste is. I think I got this in mint flavor. It's got a mint symbol on it, but it doesn't say mint. Compared to active ingredient of Halls. So this is like a generic brand of Halls that they are selling. I've been keeping the boxes for little things. For little things. They've also enclosed with this. Put that in there for a minute. And put the stuff in and all that back in there. They enclosed an order form to order by mail. You would fill out this form, and that's the back. You would list the item number, description, price, quantity, and total. Say the website is down, and well, then how would you get this information? I guess this would be a good backup if you want to order by mail. And yeah, it's got your member ID, founding member ID card, your date of birth, and all that, and your address and all that thing. Applicable sales tax may be added to the order total and deducted from your available balance. If the total exceeds your spending allowance, a member experienced advisor will call you for another form of payment. I was wondering, where do you put your debit card information on here? I guess they call you and you share with them, which I'm not comfortable doing that usually on the phone, your debit card information or credit card information, and they give you a prepaid address stamped envelope that goes to them all the way in Florida. It says Nations OTC, 66th Avenue, Suite 100, Plantation, Florida. I didn't read the whole address, obviously, but I just was summarizing it, trying to summarize it. So that's it, guys. This came from Nashville, Tennessee, like their closest warehouse to us, probably. And I could tell it's making a difference in my throat. Already starting to feel better. So this is a win for me, because I've been getting, like I said, a little bit of a sore throat. I talk a lot because I'm on the phone a lot, setting up rides right now and appointments for my health issues. So I tend to get a sore throat, and I also was coughing when I came back from the pharmacy a couple days ago. You never know if somebody that I ran into there was sick. Well, you guys have a nice evening and take care of yourselves and each other because we all need someone. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Welcome to my channel, Lucinda M. Kerrigan. That's my name. And I do a lot of unboxings like this video. And there'll be another one, but it may take up between 7 to 10 days, it said on the website, but the company was based out of Canada and I had to allow on my debit card international transaction for it to go through because it wasn't going through at first, and I thought there was a problem with my card. No, well, yeah, there was. It was blocked from international transactions. Sorry guys, I'm just a little itchy on my neck, and I gotta put more ointment on my sores before I go back to sleep. I was asleep when he's like, "Here you go, honey," and threw the box and hit my arm, and he woke me up. He's lucky I didn't snap at him, but I needed the cough drops, so I appreciate it. But if I'm asleep, don't wake me up with my package. You could have waited till tomorrow. So now I've got to take another dose of melatonin just to go back to sleep. But you guys take it easy in this heat. We're supposed to get more heat, like near triple digits of the heat index next week. So drink plenty of water and keep your animals hydrated. Take care of their water dish every day. Give them fresh water daily is what I'm saying. I'm doing this half asleep now. Maybe I'll just redo this video tomorrow. And you guys have a nice evening. See you soon. Bye for now.